Hi guys, it's Mandy with TI, and if you're looking for a good, fast, and pretty electric kettle, then you might want to try the electric kettle from Mueller. And what I love with this kettle is that it's very fast. So you're gonna drink tea or coffee in a few seconds. As well, what I like is that it does turns off automatically. So that's what I really like about this, that even if I'm busy doing something, I can't forget about it and I'll know that it will turn off. But it's also, I like that because it's very safe. I also like that you can fill up to 1.8 liters. So if I usually fill it up all the way up, and then just throughout the day, every time I want tea, I just turn it on and that's it. I don't have to be filling it up all the time. So it's very useful, convenience, and I love it. If you're looking for something like this, I really recommend this electric kettle, but this is just my point of view.